Welcome to JRY TV. What can you hold without ever touching or using your hands? Answer: your breath. I have keys but no lock. I have space but no room. You can enter but you cannot go outside. Answer: keyboard. What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in thousand years? Answer: the letter M. What has to be broken before you can use it? Answer: an egg. I am always hungry. I must always be fed. The finger I touch will soon turn red. Answer: fire. What has thumb and four fingers but is not a hand? Answer: a glove. What starts with the letter T is filled with tea and ends in tea? A teapot. I am not alive, but can grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I? Answer: a fire. I am full of holes, but still hold water. What am I? Answer: a sponge. What gets wetter the more it dries? Answer: a towel. The more you have of me, the less you see. What am I? Answer: a darkness. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe JRY TV to enjoy interesting riddles, Islamic questions.